Yo, what's up, guys? Here I am again. Now, finally, I have ordered this cable and it came. I didn't want to wait so long, so I just ordered it in Germany. I think I had to wait for like a week or like 4 or 5 days, something like that. And now I got it. So today I'm gonna make a short video. Basically, I'm gonna charge the drone or power up the drone. Then I'm gonna update um, the VTX with the versions that I have on my goggles, and that's it. Maybe I will go a little bit into OSD, maybe not. We're gonna see, but it's probably it's gonna be a short video, I believe. Okay, let's take it out. Okay. We're gonna need a battery, and I'm gonna need a cable. So let's maybe charge the drone. Now I need to connect to my VTX. Wait, how does it fit? Where are the pins? So this is the downside. This is the top side. Uh, so it should go in like that, maybe? Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. The connectors are here. How many pins do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. Is this the right spot? I think it is. I think it is the right spot. Does not fit. But it should. I mean, it should work. Okay, let's take it upside down. Maybe it will go through that side. Yeah, okay. Um, all right, so the pins are now at the top. Let's connect it. We have the data cable here. Okay, we have a connection. Let me maybe show you my screen. Display capture. Let's put that aside. So we are gonna. Okay, anyways, let's just open a new one. We are gonna go here. And oh, actually, I could just put it on this side of the screen, and I take that one on that side of the screen, and now we have kind of like double window. So what do I need? First of all, what does this TXT say? Version 38.43. Okay, good. We are gonna take a Sky file, but which one? Avatar light, moonlight, ground. I think it should be this one. Yeah, let's just copy it, paste. Okay, the version was 38.43.8. Okay. Let's change the capture. Alright, so now we're gonna disconnect. Let's make a safe disconnect. Okay, it's disconnected. So now we could probably hold the button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 seconds did actually pass. Yeah, now it's red. I don't know how long, like how much does it need to be updated. Okay, so as you can see, while I was researching, the LED is now blinking green, and before that it was kind of like solid red. Yeah, seems like it's a sign that it's updated. I'm just gonna take in case my goggles, and I'm gonna recheck it. Okay, where are they? I have some here. I'm gonna need a battery. So, let's check. The goggles are booting. Okay. Device info 3944, and I don't see any VTX device on the goggles. Okay, so what can we do now? I would say we can connect again, and let's just check what does the log file say, you know? I don't really like how they made it, but I have no other choice than kinda like okay. Pins go to the top, right? Yeah, go should go something like that. Maybe wrong. Mm, no, it should be like that. Oh my god. No, I'm wrong. Let's try this side again. Okay. And I don't hear any sound. Okay, now I got a sound. I got a sound, but I don't see anything. Reconnect. Maybe restart the drone. Nothing. Why? Oops. I get the sound, but I don't see any device. Yeah. And why? Don't tell me I have broken a pin or something like that. My God. Okay. I think this kind of like bent pin, something like that. Yeah, it's too big. Something else. This also one small hair. What the heck? How? Anyways. Okay, it is. It should be straight now. Yeah, unbelievable how fragile this is. You know, like it's real smart to create basically a product which costs like 150 euro, something like that. And then as a connector, we are not gonna create a universal USB-C, which is now standard everywhere. We are gonna create a pin connector, you know? And also the adapter which is gonna be connected to the pin connector is also gonna be like a fragile piece of kind of like micro electricity. And there are no obvious sign which is the top and which is the bottom of it. Alright, I can see the pins on the bottom, so probably it should go that side. No, it should go actually this side. So the pins can be slid on. Yeah, okay. Now, now they are connected. Oh, uh, let's give it some power. Yikes, I don't see anything. Something is broken. I don't know. Is it the connector? Is it the VTX? I don't get it. Yeah, one pin connector is kind of like broken off. I don't know. I think the connector is done. Okay, let's try again. Can I see something? Nothing. Nothing at all. Okay. Four cables. If I had somewhere like a familiar connector, I could just replace it. Where was it? Yeah, I think it's this one, but I'm not sure. I need to check it. Uh, no, it's not the same one. I mean, I have kind of like also the same four cables, but the connector is not the same. No, it's not the same connector. Yeah, that might be a problem. Perhaps I'm gonna connect it pin by pin. I mean, maybe I don't need it at all. Like, it's updated now anyways. It's gonna be a problem for the future updates. I'm just gonna order a new connector. It's I think it's not a big problem. For now, I would say let's maybe put the drone into the bind mode, and also let's put the goggles into the bind mode. Binding and goggles also. So they're both in the binding mode. Nothing. So why? I mean, like, slowly I'm pretty much getting annoyed by it because Everything is connected. Yeah, everything is connected. The software is updated and it's not functioning. Cable is soldered, cable is soldered, and here I have two cables and they are also soldered. So at that point it makes no sense. Ground L8 is gray and it is, wait a moment, T6 is white. Have I connected maybe something wrong here? That might be the problem. T6 is white and L6 is gray. And here is TX gray and LX white. Wait a moment. So gray is TX, white is LX, and here is gray L6 and white is T6. So yeah, transmit is connected to receive and receive is connected to transmit. Ground is connected to ground and voltage is connected to voltage. Everything is connected, right? I don't see the transmitter. Why? There's only one reason left, the antenna. But it said it should be compatible. The antenna should be compatible with this VTX, but I have no signal. Device, nothing. Yeah, that's a problem. Makes absolutely no sense. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna restart the PC. Yeah, so yeah, the connector is broken. I don't know. I don't know how I can fix it, but I'm just gonna try. So first of all, I'm gonna need the tweezers. They're here. Cannot take the pin out, but I need it. Okay, here's the pin. Okay, now I need to push the red cable through the pin. Let's try to clean it out first. Okay. Okay, the red one is gonna go through here. don't need a charge right now. It's so small, my eye barely sees it. Okay. So, if I was correct, it was something about red, black, white, gray. So I'm gonna need to connect them. Red, so hard. Red, black, white, gray. Okay, separate. Red, black. Why is the VTX is so hot? Like, what the heck? It's not even on. Oh my god. Okay. Mm, yeah, that's it about a short video. Work one time uncareful, and you're gonna work instead for half an hour. You're gonna work for hours. Stupid mistake. Black, white, white, gray. Where is that thing? Did it go off? Oh no, let's see, it's attached. Pins are here. Okay. Yikes. Okay. Just hold it with something. Red. Okay, let's try this maybe gray, right? So it should be one, two, three, four. Last one should be gray. No, it just slips off. Okay, I must think about another solution. I don't know, maybe I could use some male to female cables. I don't know. We're gonna check it. So what do we have here? No, that is not gonna work. That also. Maybe if I could. Male to male, female, male. Maybe if I could connect them. No, they're too big. I cannot connect them like that. Я занят сейчас. Я кушаю, я сейчас не голодный, спасибо.
Мы сейчас все садим.
Давайте идите кушать, я сейчас занят.
Там есть один пивасик тебе.
Хорошо, я не буду сейчас, спасибо. Okay. How can I connect it? We have not the right connector. What about this piece? It's not really a solution. Would it fit like that? No, not really. It's too big. Ah, oof. Man, that piece is already useless. Yeah, I don't know. How can I repair it right now? It's pretty much impossible without the right tools. Um, okay. I would just maybe need just one connection. That's it. Okay, take red. Okay, let's go red. Gonna take red. Can't see anything. Hmm. It's not gonna work like that. No, no, no. I would need some sort of cable guidance. Um, what could I do? No, it will not work. Maybe, maybe if I took like a spare part, no, and tried it with it, perhaps it would work. It would be maybe something like that. No, it's also too big. Okay, what I could do, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work. If I could get in kind of like a gummy guide on the sheen and then guide the cable through it, that would perhaps work. But I need to check it. Let's say we take like half of it, for example, like here. The pins are solid. It will not work out. Yeah, the pins are solid. It will not work out. And I have no space between the bottom part and the pin itself. I can't forget about it. What else I could try? Maybe, I don't know. So it was red, black, white, gray. Could I put in on this side like that? Would it fit if I would do it like that? So maybe we work with the cheaper part and not with the expensive part, if it fits. Okay, I think it fits. Now basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the connector and wait, was it this side? So on the connector, let's say that is the bottom side. The bottom side it is gray, white, black, red. Should be right, I believe. Okay, so it would be gray at the top. Okay, let's just solder it. I don't have the nerves for it. Okay. I'm gonna need the heat pad just in case because I don't wanna burn through my table. Alright, alright. Oh, micro soldering without a microscope. It's gonna be interesting. I don't know if you can see it. Uh, I think it's okay. If you think enough, I believe. Maybe do it like that. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna need the pad. Put it in here. Um, Actually, I think I'm gonna take it out for now. Yeah, yeah, okay. I don't know if it's gonna work because it's basically micro soldering and I don't have the right. I think I don't have the right iron for that. I don't have a microscope for that. Basically, I don't have the equipment for micro soldering. And also the skills. I didn't really do micro soldering. I have no experience in it, I believe. Okay, one is done. Next one. I need something to take out the gummy. Where was the cutter? I need the cutter. Okay. Yikes. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Bum. Okay, let's prepare a connector. Okay, so first is gonna be gray. I'm gonna apply some flux. It's late and nothing is happening here. Oof, I actually barely see anything. Where are the tweezers? I need some tweezers. Okay, now I can see it. So we're gonna take a little bit of soda. We're gonna apply it to the gray cable. It does not want to. Okay, white cable. Red cable. Black cable. We're gonna need some soda. Alright, now we are at the more hard part, I believe, but maybe it's not so hard. We're gonna take the tweezers. The first cable was the gray one, which should be soldered in. So we're gonna take it And we must be really precise here. It will go to the first spot. No, it's not precise enough. It must be much preciser, like that maybe. Yeah, I feel a contact. Oof, that's not easy. I'm gonna need to pick it from this side maybe. Yeah. What is that? Okay, careful and precise. That is really hard. I think it's doable. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I just cannot see it, it's too small. Red, black, white. So this is gray one. Yeah, but it is so small. Maybe I could do it differently. Maybe I'm gonna kinda like build a bridge on the pin. tiny drop. No, no, I cannot breach it if it's breached. That's not my goal. I need to clean a little bit more. I actually want to bend it a little bit out so I have more space to work with it, because otherwise it's gonna be breached. I need just to go a little bit out like that, but not two pins, only the black one should go. Don't need much. Okay, let's try it out. Black one. It was black, right? I think yes. It's connected. Now the red one. It's gonna be also tricky, but I think I can do it. Okay. Okay. Alright. Please don't tell me I have here shorts somewhere. No shorts and I'm probably good. Pa, 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 pum. Alright, I think it does work. Yeah, okay. Let's hope it works now. Mm, okay. Yeah, once the connector was beautiful, now it is just a monster. But no, one cable broke off. No, 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 no. I must solder it back. Okay. I mean, it's pretty fragile. How much do I have? Need a little bit more. It's still not 380. Okay, no. Oof. Okay, it's connected. Turn off. Yeah. So it looks ugly, but I hope it works. Let's connect it immediately and check if it's working or not. So it should be connected like that, I believe. Select cable is first, so select cable must go in here. I can't put it in now. Come on, let's not break the pins again, please. Ah, okay. Red, black, white, gray. And here it should be the opposite. So we have a gray, white, black, red. All right. Uh, let's check it out. And I'm gonna need to turn on a battery. And now we're gonna need the data cable. Yeah. And it works. My fix did work. Let me show you the display. So now, finally, after after I have fixed what I have broken, let's say, so it has not updated. All right, I have no updates. Aha, good to know. Good to know. Yeah, okay, let's turn it off. And a cable broke off again. Oh my god, I must resolder it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, we're gonna. It was here at the bottom. I think I would need maybe like take it from that side. Can see it. I cannot see it. Nope, I don't see it. Now I can see the pin. Okay. Okay. I have resoldered it again. Uh, wait. Yeah. So I need to check again for shortage because I have resoldered again and I'm not sure. Turn it on. Select modes. We are gonna go on. We are gonna go one on. Wait, let's check. Okay, it's working. This is red and this is dark. No shortage. Okay. All right. So I solved the connector, and despite that, I figured out that the update did not did not finish itself. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So we're gonna redo the update. Oh my god, let's put the soldering iron maybe right here. Okay. I need to remove the trash. Okay. All right. So, anyways, now I know the problem, and let maybe show you my display. We are gonna open a browser, and we are gonna go to Codex products. Oh, where are the VTXs? VTX. I think that one is mine. Yeah. So where is the manual for that? Um, okay, support, download center. Upgrade. Okay, copy the upgrade file. The upgrade file is already copied. Connect the power supply and wait for the device to start. You know what? Let's do it. Power supply connect. Device is started. Press and hold the VTX linking button for 8 seconds and release the button after the indicator light goes out. Hold for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's solid red. And then turn off. Okay, now it's turned off. The upgrade time is about 20 seconds. Please do not power off during the upgrade process. Okay, I don't get it. Press and hold the VTX linking button for 8 seconds and release the button after the indicator light goes out. At this time the VTX will automatically restart and enter the upgrade state, and the indicator light will change from blinking red to solid red and then turn off. The upgrade time is about 20 seconds. Please do not power off during the upgrade process. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's solid red, so that means it will reboot itself. I will not do anything, and the upgrade time is about 20 seconds. If the VTX continues to light up red, it means that the firmware cannot be detected or the firmware is wrong. I mean, 20 seconds have passed. So the firmware is wrong. Disconnect. Connect. Okay, now I'm gonna connect again the file and not the file but the USB-C adapter to check if the update has finished or if you have here some problems. Um, yeah, obviously no battery is connected, so let's do that. So check the log file. nothing has changed. So basically it did not update. Okay, so but I need this firmware. Like 3944.5 is what I need. Thirty-nine. Maybe I have the wrong file. Like maybe I have ground instead of sky. No, I have the sky file. It's the right file. Okay. Uh, give me the download center. Um, and my version is now 39445. 39445 stable. All right, it's downloading. Okay. Um, I'm gonna put it in where I'm gonna. Let's actually firmware backup, and we are gonna create a new folder, and this one is gonna be new. And now we're gonna go to downloads, we're gonna cut it out, we're gonna go to new, and we want to extract the files. Alright, that means that we don't need the zip file anymore, this folder is not needed. And now we're gonna go to firmware, and we are gonna use Avatar Sky. Yeah, this one. And we're gonna go in here. It's the same file. I don't know. Maybe I have to delete everything. I don't know. Remove USB. And now we are gonna hold the button for 8 seconds so you can actually look what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Um, I have no light at all. No, now it's blinking red. Now it's solid red. Okay, it's blinking green now, as you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but it's blinking green now. So does it mean we are good to go, or what's going on here? Let's reconnect again. Ugh, oops. So maybe you can see it. Let me show you my display. So basically, this is our drone storage of the VTX, and this is the file. And now we have the version 39.445. This is the same version that I have on my goggles. So basically now we can check if it's according to my plan. Alright, disconnect. So the update is successful according to the log file. Alright, let's now maybe turn on the goggles. I have put them aside. You don't need my screen anymore. We're gonna change it, and let's say if you don't need the cooler. Alright, so the fan is gone, and now we're gonna take a battery. Where is my cable? My cable should be actually somewhere here. I don't know where I have put it. I have put it aside. Okay, where is the cable? Probably have put it somewhere here on the other side of the table, but I can't see it. No, it's not here. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know where the charging cable is. Huh? Where have I put it? I don't get it. Maybe here? Is this in the battery? I took another battery? No. Yes, sometimes working fast is not working efficient. Okay. What the heck? Where's the cable? Like it's nowhere. Makes no sense. Oh, I put it behind me on the chair. What a genius. Okay. Turn on the goggles. Connect. Goggles are booting up. Now, hopefully, I should be able to see through that camera. If they're linked. Yeah, I need to link them. Transmitter is disconnected. Okay. Okay. Um, transmitter is disconnected. Let's bind them. So I clicked the goggles and I clicked the VTX. I see myself. Finally, Jesus Christ. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you probably can't see it, but there's a picture, you know. Uh, you could see basically like this. I can see myself, you know. Um, yeah, it's done. So that means I can actually configure now the OSD. Yeah. What do I see now actually on my screen? I see channel. I see the voltage. I even see some connection status. I see also the distance and I see the milliseconds, so the latency. All right. Ah, cool, cool. All right, it's okay. So you know what? I would say that's okay. Now I can configure the OSD. I'm done. Um, and I can finally fly this thing. So yeah, what can I say to you guys? Thank you for watching, and yeah, in the next video we are gonna fly. See you guys. See you. Goodbye.